What's going on, guys? Antonio X Carter here. Operation Emancipation Occupation, helping you get freedom from your jobs. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make extra money using Bing Ads and Clickbank products. That's one of the things I'm veering into as far as being my niche or my forte. I do everything making money online, but if you've looked at a lot of my previous videos, I've shown you how to hit $100 per day, I'm actually currently doing a live challenge that helps you hit $1,000 per month minimum. Of course, you can hit $1,000 per day with these methods, but even if you haven't, I'm trying to help you get your first commission with Clickbank products and Bing Ads. So if that's something that you're interested in, please stay tuned. Watch this video all the way through, because I'm going to be showing you not only how to make the commissions, but how to increase your chances, how to skyrocket the probability of you making your sales a whole lot faster when it comes to direct linking with products. So stay tuned. All right, we are not collecting emails in this case. Pretty sure you're happy about that. We're not collecting emails, and instead we are doing kind of like a variation of direct linking. And with direct linking, you go from Bing Ads ad to the product. And the product that I'm promoting right now with this video, and that I've shown in many other videos where I've built it up to $180 during a day or something like that. I did that live, by the way. That is this product, Text Chemistry. We are coming into a season, a holiday season, where people want to be hugged by a significant other, loved by a significant other. It just feels good, right? Christmas, Thanksgiving, it involves family. People don't want to be alone during these times. And I don't want you to be alone either if you are alone. So perhaps you may be interested in this product. But still, I'm promoting this, and I'm not showing you how to direct link per se. I'm showing you something that incorporates a landing page, not just any other landing page either. And so if you watch some of my other videos, I made this one, and if you click on the button, I have a drop down, asks you for your email and address, even though I don't have an email address and a name field right here, because I didn't want to collect the emails. If you just click the button, it'll take you straight over to the product. It's a flawed page. I have to edit it. I have to revise it, but I just made it so that you can see what I got going on. And so the cool thing about this, I even kind of tricked myself, is these two pages look somewhat similar. I took the picture, that little picture with the two people holding hands, and I think I added the YouTube play button there. I can't remember. But I have that. I have a gray background. I have some of the same similar colors that are here. If I really, really, really wanted to make it congruent, I can make the blue letters purple, and that would be even better. But I'm not showing you neither one of those two. I'm showing you something else that will step the game up even more, because that's what I do. I'm showing you how to create a quiz. A quiz is better than just a regular landing page. Robbie Blanchard, I think his name is, teaches this during his $1,000 per day course, but he does with Facebook ads. I've kind of stepped away with Facebook ads because they've really tightened up on a lot of different things when it comes to affiliate marketers. It's a tight game. And so Bing Ads is a little bit more safer for me, but you still have to play by the rules. Okay, make sure you read those guidelines and compliance rules, all right? Now, with quizzes allow you to whet the appetite of the potential customer. I keep wanting to say client because I'm so used to dealing with clients. The customer. So if we go ahead and we click this button here to preview the page, I say, hey, take this 45-second quiz to find out whether he wants you or not. This is a very basic page. There's nothing fancy about this page. If you hear my daughter in the background, I apologize. I can't do anything about that. she loves her daddy. What can I say? But I didn't make the colors all fantastic. I didn't add pictures. I just made it very simple. I do recommend that you spice things up a little bit more. But for this video, this is plain and simple. This will do the trick. And keep in mind, this is for text chemistry. It says, hey, does he text you first? Or do you text him first? And I have a list of questions. I never text him first. He normally texts me first. It depends on whether I want something or not. Okay? And these questions, you can select all of these questions. Does he randomly say he's thinking about you? I thought about these questions and I just threw them in there. And the reason behind these questions is to make the person who lands on your ad and clicks on that ad and lands on this page, is to get them thinking. Because they're going to figure out, hey, does he call you in the middle of the night or do you call him? He blows my phone up. I call him the most at night. Nope, we both call each other. Oh, well, if he blows my phone up, what does that mean? Or if I call him most of the time at night, does that mean I'm doing something wrong? Right? You see the psychology? So you play with people's minds to get them intrigued to answer the questions, okay? After you get them to answer the questions, then it will shoot them over to the product. And here with the last question I have, there's one text. I probably need to put text to message. You really need to be very clear in your messaging because you're dealing with people not just in the United States but around the world with your ads. There's one text that you can send him that will make him go crazy over you. Do you want to know what it is? So I had them answer all of these questions. Now they're trying to figure out whether this is good or bad. What I'm doing is that making him want me or not? And then all of a sudden this question hits a boom. Now, oh, there's something to actually make him want me? Oh, heck yes, I want that. No, I don't want to make him want me that bad. And so in this case, when I hit yes, boom, analyzing results is going to shoot them over to the product. Dope. What I have not done is take them over to something else when they hit no. So in this case, when they hit no, it takes them over to the page as well. But I could change that up. If they hit no, I can send them. Technically, I just thought about this. When they hit no, I can shoot them over to a page like this where it collects email. I know this particular one doesn't collect email, but I can make this page collect the email and say, discover the mysterious text that stuns men into loving you. And then send a PDF, because I'm pretty sure that on the affiliate page of Text Chemistry, there's a free PDF. As a matter of fact, I'm curious. Hold on one second. I'm going to pause this video so I can find the affiliate page. Alright, I'm back. So I found the affiliate page. Love texts. Make any man yours through texting. I can download that and send that via email. Then I can create an email chain promoting the product, which will give me a sale in the back end. So as you see, guys, this is very simple. This is something anybody can do. There's many different ways you can take this. And so I'm just going to show you how quick and easy it is to make a page like this. If we go back over here, I'll just say, it's my page. You can click add new step and even start with a blank page. And actually, I'll probably leave the share funnel link for you to download this share funnel, all right? Well, it's going to be a share funnel link for you to download this link. And then you can just import it within your stuff, your ClickFunnels. If you don't have one, you can use the 14-day free trial with my link that I give you below. But all you gotta do, this is a piece of text. This is another thing. So I'm gonna just hit the plus sign and hit one column. I'm gonna hit that plus sign and I'm gonna scroll down to where it says surveys. I might have passed it. Survey. And hey, there it is. I'm going to click that and hit the gear, hit edit survey options, and I can make changes to my questions. Type your questions here. I am the man with the plan. Add another answer. Can you dig it? I like that. I like that. Hit back, and there you go. And if you want to add another question, you hit that, and there's another question. So now you have 2 questions. It's really simple. And then for outcomes, you would come here, you would hit the outcomes, and after they go down, after they answer all the questions, you'll scroll over here to the right hand side, and it says page action, loading, then page redirect, and you would put in your website that you want the quiz to redirect to. All right, hit the X, and your quiz is good to go. So let's go ahead and hit preview. Oh, I didn't hit save. Oops. Okay, type your questions here. I am the man. Everybody knows that. Okay. So, I don't know why that just happened, but perhaps I didn't type in Google correctly. Whatever the case, you put a website there and it will redirect to that other page. So that's it for right now. Having a quiz can definitely increase your percentage of sales by at least 10%. There's some that does a whole lot more better than that as well. But you get people clicking if you filter that out and optimize it to where you can get the click and they get on the quiz. You're increasing your revenue very quickly because you're making more sales at that point. Hopefully this helped, guys. This is very easy, very simple. You can make it as complicated, as complex as you want to, or as simple as you want to. So if you like this video, hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, drop me some comments down below. Please don't forget to check out all the links that I have for you inside the description under the video. The 5-day free challenge where I show you how to get your first commissions with Bing ads and Clickbank. Get your first commissions, get your first $100 a day, get your first $1,000 month. All right. If you're interested in making $3,500 per week with these methods, you want to step it up a level. There's a course that I recommend. That is by Yvonne Manna, and the link for that is below as well. It takes you through a course of using Bing ads and Clickbank, plus native ads, plus Google ads. You'll get all the training behind all of that stuff. All right. So we'll see you guys in the next video.